Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's essential to our overall health, the liver. We'll be discussing 10 products that are silently destroying your liver, and at the end of the video, I'll also share 4 amazing products that can help restore its functionality. But before we dive into that, let's talk about why it's so important to keep your liver healthy. The liver is often called the body's powerhouse for a reason. It processes everything you eat and drink, filtering toxins out of your blood and converting food into energy. It also helps regulate cholesterol, blood sugar, and hormone levels. Without a well-functioning liver, your body would be overwhelmed with toxins, leading to fatigue, digestion issues, weight gain, and even more serious problems like liver disease. That's why protecting your liver should be a top priority. So let's get into the 10 products that might be destroying your liver without you even realizing it. First up are processed foods. These are loaded with artificial preservatives, additives, and trans fats that put a heavy burden on your liver. Every time you eat a bag of chips, sugary cereals, or frozen meals, your liver has to work overtime to process those unnatural ingredients. Over time, the buildup of toxins from processed foods can lead to fatty liver disease, which can be a precursor to more serious conditions like cirrhosis. Product 9, alcohol. Next is alcohol, and I know you've heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Alcohol is one of the leading causes of liver damage worldwide. Drinking too much, even on weekends, can lead to fatty liver, inflammation, and scarring of the liver. Your liver can only process a small amount of alcohol at a time, and excess alcohol gets turned into harmful chemicals that damage liver cells. Chronic alcohol consumption can eventually lead to cirrhosis and liver failure. Product 8, sugary beverages. Let's talk about sugary drinks. Sodas, energy drinks, and even fruit juices that are loaded with added sugars. Consuming these regularly spikes your blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance, which in turn overwhelms your liver. Over time, this leads to fatty liver disease, as your liver struggles to process the excess sugar. And unlike fat buildup elsewhere in the body, fat in the liver can be extremely harmful to its functions. Product 7, acetaminophen, painkillers. Painkillers like acetaminophen, commonly known as Tylenol, may seem harmless, but they can be very dangerous when taken in excess or over long periods. Acetaminophen is a leading cause of acute liver failure. Taking it with alcohol or exceeding the recommended dosage can be deadly. Your liver metabolizes the drug, and when too much is present, it creates toxic byproducts that can cause irreversible damage. Product 6, herbal supplements. Herbal supplements might seem like a natural and safe choice, but some can be harmful to your liver. Products containing kava, comfrey, or even green tea extract in high concentrations have been linked to liver damage. Always be cautious with supplements, as the liver has to process all these compounds, and some herbal ingredients can be toxic in large doses. Product 5, red meat. Red meat is high in saturated fat, which can overwhelm the liver if consumed in large quantities. This can lead to fatty liver disease, especially in those who are already at risk due to other health conditions. While red meat does contain important nutrients, it's best to consume it in moderation to avoid overloading your liver with fat that's hard to break down. Product 4, fried foods. Fried foods are another major culprit. When you eat foods like fried chicken, French fries, or donuts, you're consuming a lot of unhealthy fats. These fats can clog up your liver's filtering system, making it harder for the liver to detoxify your blood. Over time, this can lead to inflammation and scarring in the liver, known as fibrosis. Product 3, artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, especially aspartame and sucralose, might seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but research shows that these sweeteners can interfere with liver enzymes and metabolism. Regular consumption can contribute to liver inflammation and even fatty liver disease, as the liver struggles to process these synthetic chemicals. Product 2, refined carbs. Refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and pastries break down into sugar quickly and spike your blood glucose levels. This forces your liver to work harder to balance blood sugar, which over time can lead to fat buildup in the liver. Consuming too many refined carbs increases your risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Product 1, soft margarine. Last but not least, soft margarine is loaded with trans fats, which are notorious for harming liver health. Trans fats not only raise your bad cholesterol levels, but also lead to fat deposits in the liver. These fats trigger inflammation and can worsen conditions like fatty liver disease, making it harder for your liver to function properly. Now that we've gone over the harmful products, let's shift our focus to the best foods and products that can help bring your liver back to life. These 4 powerhouse ingredients don't just support liver function, they supercharge your liver's ability to heal, detoxify, and regenerate itself. Product 4, leafy greens, your liver's natural detox army. Let's kick things off with leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. These vibrant greens are packed with chlorophyll, which acts like a magnet for toxins. Chlorophyll helps your liver filter out harmful substances like heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides that build up in your bloodstream. What's really great about leafy greens is that they boost bile production. Why is bile so important? Well, bile helps your liver digest fats, breaking them down efficiently so they don't clog up the liver's filtering system. Plus, leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants, which protect your liver cells from inflammation and damage. It's like giving your liver a protective shield every time you toss a handful of greens into your smoothie or salad. Not to mention, they're also super low in calories, so you can eat as much as you want without worrying about weight gain, which is another plus for liver health. Your liver will thank you for this daily detox boost. Product 3, turmeric, the golden savior for your liver. If there's one spice you should be adding to everything, it's turmeric. Known as the golden spice, turmeric is packed with curcumin, which is nothing short of a miracle compound for liver health. Curcumin is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents out there, and when it comes to your liver, it helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, the 2 biggest contributors to liver damage. Studies have even shown that curcumin can block the buildup of fat in the liver, preventing fatty liver disease and helping reverse liver cell damage. But turmeric doesn't stop there. It stimulates the production of bile, much like leafy greens, aiding your liver in breaking down fat more efficiently. If you're dealing with liver issues caused by alcohol, fatty foods, or medications, turmeric acts as a rejuvenating tonic, promoting the regeneration of liver cells. Add it to your soups, teas, curries, or take it as a supplement. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are huge. Think of turmeric as your liver's best friend, helping it function at its peak. Product 2, green tea, the liver's protective elixir. When it comes to protecting and healing the liver, green tea isn't just a beverage, it's an elixir. Green tea is loaded with catechins, which are potent antioxidants that have been shown to improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation. If your liver has been bombarded by toxins, green tea helps flush them out while giving the liver the break it needs to regenerate. Here's where it gets really interesting. Green tea has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels, a key indicator of liver health. It doesn't just work on the surface. It penetrates deep into the liver's systems to enhance its detoxification abilities. Whether you're drinking it hot, iced, or in supplement form, green tea actively fights against liver damage caused by alcohol, fatty foods, or environmental toxins. And if you're struggling with fatty liver disease, green tea can help reduce fat buildup and reverse liver inflammation. Sip on this liver-protecting brew daily for long-lasting benefits. Product 1, garlic, the ultimate liver detoxifier. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about garlic, one of the most powerful natural detoxifiers for your liver. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, which are crucial for activating liver enzymes that flush toxins out of your body. Think of it like this. Your liver is a massive filter, and garlic is the cleaning solution that helps scrub away the gunk. The sulfur compounds in garlic also promote the elimination of heavy metals, such as mercury and lead, which can cause serious damage to your liver over time. But that's not all. Garlic is also rich in selenium, a mineral that enhances antioxidant action in your liver, protecting it from oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of garlic has been linked to reduced fat accumulation in the liver, making it a great tool in fighting against fatty liver disease. Whether you're adding fresh garlic to your meals, taking garlic supplements, or even making garlic-infused oils, this superfood will give your liver the boost it needs to stay healthy and functioning at its best. So if you're looking for a simple, natural way to support your liver's detoxification process, garlic is a must-have in your daily diet. All right, so there you have it. 10 products that could be quietly harming your liver, and 4 powerful products that can help restore its function. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, but it can only handle so much. By cutting back on the harmful products we discussed and incorporating the liver-boosting foods like leafy greens, turmeric, green tea, and garlic into your daily routine, you'll give your liver the support it needs to keep working at its best. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Taking care of your liver now can help prevent serious health issues down the road. So make those small, consistent changes to your diet and lifestyle to protect your liver and overall health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness content. Let me know in the comments below if there are any other liver-friendly foods you'd like me to talk about, or if you have any questions about today's topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.